Solve this system of equations using the elimination method. With the elimination method of solving a system of equations, you combine the two equations and in the process eliminate one of the variables. With some sets of equations, one pair of variables is easier to subtract than the other. In this system, do you see how these variables, the y's, can be subtracted from each other to cancel them out? So use column subtraction to combine these equations. We get 3x minus x equals 2x, 5 minus 7 equals negative 2. The y's cancel each other out. Solving for x, we get x is equal to negative 1. We take this value for x and substitute it into one of the equations. So 3 times negative 1 plus y equals 5. Negative 3 plus y equals 5. So y is equal to 8. So the solution to this system is x is equal to negative 1 and y is equal to 8.